Hey there, thank you for joining me, Dominique. I'm going to be leading you through a nice little stretch sequence. We're going to go ahead and start off in what I like to call butterfly position. We're going to put our toes together, having our knees out, sitting right on top of our sits bones. We're going to make sure that our head is connected to our tail as we extend our energy upwards. We're going to inhale, open up our heart, and exhale, lower chin to chest. Again, inhale, open the heart, and exhale, chin to chest. From there, we're gonna go ahead and curve the head down upward as we look up. Exhaling, lowering down. Inhale, lifting up again. Exhale, lowering down. From here, we'll roll through the spine sequentially. Taking our left arm up and over our head. We'll go ahead and inhale and exhale. Nice side twist. As we inhale, lifting up our right arm, sending the head back. We exhale, lower down. Rotate around to the other side. Inhale, open up the heart. And exhale, curving the spine. Good inhale, lifting up. And exhale, folding forward. Nose to toes. Here we'll hold, hanging out for a second. You can give yourself a nice little back head of massage. And from here we'll lift up. Exhale, lowering down. Again, rolling through the spine sequentially, one vertebra at a time. Here we'll go ahead and inhale, sending the head to the side, letting the right arm rise over. Breathing still. Go ahead and inhale, exhale, lower down, sending that hand over to the knee. Nice twist. Inhale, exhale, making sure here that we're rotating from the middle of our spine, not the lower part, the sacral part, for that is not to rotate. We inhale, lifting up the right arm. The left arm, sorry. Sorry, movers and groovers, lifting up that left arm. And we're gonna go ahead and exhale, lower that down. From here, we'll go ahead and take our legs out, but we're gonna bring them on to the side this way. We're gonna go into, if you have some thera-bands at home, this would be a really good time to go ahead and bring those guys out. I personally like to use the really, really thick kind of strengthen up my toe strength. That will help you on releve and all sorts of other things. Working out with a thera-band will not only strengthen, but it will help stretch your foot muscles, which your whole body is connected, as we all know. And so when you're stretching those out, you're working on the things that influence everything else in your body. So from here, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go into a point. And well, first let me explain to you all that there is a demi point and a point difference. So we'll go ahead and we'll go demi to point, and demi to flex, and demi to full point, and demi to flex. Once again, that's demi to point, and demi to flex, and again, demi to point, and demi to flex. From here, we'll inhale, open up our heart. Bringing the arms up, we exhale, lower it down. As far as you can go. If you need, go ahead and rest your arms at your ankles. We'll inhale, lift up here, spreading those toes. We exhale, lower down. Again, inhale, lifting up. And exhale, lowering down. From here, we'll go ahead and inhale, lift up as we point our toes. Sending the arms back, arching the back. We exhale, lower it down. Good time again for you to bring your thera-band back. We're gonna go ahead and flex. And this time we're gonna roll through from pinky toe to big toe. And reverse that, big toe to pinky toe. And again, pinky to big toe. And reversing that. Pretty tricky, but over time you'll get way better. Now we're gonna go ahead and do that with big toe, going down first, sequentially, pinky toe last, then reversing it, pinky toe first, big toe last. And again, big toe first, rolling through all the toes, bringing them through. With your thera-band, you'll find that the resistance feels really good. You don't want to do this too much though, because you can work out your foot muscles too much and you don't want that soreness down there. Let me tell you what, go ahead and release that. If you have your thera-bands, you can put them to the side. We're gonna go ahead and wiggle our legs out. We're gonna work on a little bit of rotation of the hips. The deep six rotators is what that's called, connected to our sits bones. We're gonna start by just shaking our legs out. Kindly, you can move all those muscles around. We're gonna start focusing a little bit on what's called release technique, which is a really cool thing that's largely influenced off of breath, but also the release of using your mind to help yourself release your body. So we're gonna think about not engaging any of the muscles in the legs, so to speak. Moving the muscles around a little bit more, go ahead and go down. And from here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna open up our deep six rotators and close them up. Just let them fall, and then you use the energy to bring them back. Exhale, you're gonna just let them fall. You're gonna bring them on back together. And again, one more time, just let your legs fall out to the side, feeling that natural turnout. From here, we're gonna inhale, there will be a slight bend to your knees. You're gonna exhale, fall forward. Feeling a nice deep stretch in your hips. Inhale, lift up. You can push your hands into the ground here. Feel a nice deep stretch inside of your legs. Exhale, lower down. And again, inhale, lift up. Feeling that arch in your back. Exhale, lowering it down. And third time's a charm. Inhale, lifting up. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Exhale, lowering down. Reminded that with every exhale, we go deeper and deeper into every stretch. So for here, we're just gonna hang out for 10 whole counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we lift up. And exhale, lower down, and we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. From here, we'll go ahead and roll up through the spine, shaking those muscles out again. And again, we'll go ahead and practice releasing of the leg. Inhale and exhale, release, feeling it in the hip. And again, just letting gravity pull your feet to the side. And bringing it up, and one more time, exhaling, letting it fall by gravity. From here, we're gonna go ahead and take a moment to lay down. And we're gonna, again, work on some more release technique. I'm gonna go ahead and scoot myself onto my mat properly. From here, we're gonna go ahead and feel the position we just left our legs in from releasing them into their natural turnout. And we're gonna bring our knees out, up and out to the side, feeling this really nice butterfly stretch. From here, we're gonna bring that and our arms up and our knees together. And from there, they'll go ahead and we'll drop one leg down. And we'll lift it up and again, dropping down the right leg. And again, letting it lift up, finding its natural turnout, dropping the leg. This is helping us find the ability to release our leg from our hip socket. Nicely letting it fall, being pulled by gravity, and we'll do the other leg now. 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alrighty, and then now we're gonna go ahead and feel gravity pull our legs on down, feeling the release of our legs. And you're just gonna straighten that leg straight on out. Inhaling, bringing the legs up. And again, exhaling, letting them drop. Feeling gravity pull them on down. And again, we lift them up. And exhaling, drop. And one more time. Inhaling, exhaling, and lowering down. From there, we're gonna go ahead and from here, if you have a thera-band, you can attach a thera-band to your foot. However, if not, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna inhale, lifting up our leg. And if you have a thera-band, you can pull the thera-band closer. If not, you can simply use your arm. We're simply gonna inhale and exhale for 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we're gonna bend it in for 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and again, straight. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and bend it in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you have your thera-band, you can stick your leg on out to the side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and bend it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and extending again, this time with the flexed foot. 5, 6, 7, 8, and closing it. 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, we'll go ahead and place that foot on right back up and lift the other one up with it. We're gonna go ahead and from here, drop our legs down to the side again. As we inhale and exhale, straighten. You can feel the difference, maybe some more release happening in your leg. I definitely feel the tightness that still exists in my left leg right now. And on this next lifting up, we're gonna exhale and drop it down, extend the foot, and from here, if you have your thera-band, you're gonna go ahead and grab your thera-band and attach it to your foot and lift it up. From here, hopefully everybody has the thera-bands now. We're gonna go ahead and with a pointed working foot, we're gonna inhale and exhale for 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and bring it in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and extend. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and bend it in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and now we can go out to the side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and extend it in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, we'll go ahead and this time put it on down with the other leg. And we're gonna inhale, exhale, drop both. You should feel some nice newness happening on the insides of your legs. As you flex the foot, we're gonna bring them up. And this time we're gonna lower the right leg, bringing the left one, we're gonna cross it on over, feeling a nice spiral here, but also a nice stretch in our inner legs, inner thighs by the graceful, as well as we can massage the outside of your IT band right here, which would be really, really good for you. This also helps the releasing of the muscles, which also influences the tightness of all of your body and influences how close your bones are or not to each other. If you're also interested in other ways to engage in flexibility or joint mobility, flax seeds are a really great source of offering joint mobility. So we'll go ahead and lower that down, bringing up the other leg, straightening that one out. Inhaling, we exhale, crossing the right knee over, feeling that nice spiral. You want to make sure your head follows the open arm. That way you're getting the full extent of the stretch. Breathing in and out, remembering that every exhale takes you deeper and deeper into every stretch. From here, we're gonna go ahead and bring that on in. Coming now to what I like to call a little pretzel. I learned in ballet from my teacher, Shelly Padilla at Texas Women's University. From here, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna cross our legs as such. You're gonna take your left hand through your left leg and grab your right leg, bringing it in, feeling a nice stretch in your lower back to those hips. Breathing in 4 8s. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It feels so good. A little bit longer. 3, 4, and I lost count, but I think we're at 8. And we lift it up. Other side. Right crosses. Bring the right arm through. Grab the left. Pull it down. 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And from here, we'll go ahead and we'll extend, bringing the legs down. Inhaling, lifting ourselves up, finishing with a nice forward fold. Alrighty, and from here, we're gonna go ahead and go into some ways you can go into a split. One of my favorite ways that I love to teach all of my young little students is we begin by starting on our knees. So what you're gonna do first is you're gonna go ahead and extend your left leg out, and from here we're gonna go ahead and send our weight backwards, stretching out this part of our body. And then as we inhale, we're gonna come up, and we're gonna exhale, sending that back leg back and extending the front leg forward. From here, you can go ahead and inhale and exhale, lower down. Inhale, rise. All right, from there, we're gonna go ahead and close our legs up. We're gonna go ahead and straighten them back out, inhaling, exhaling, lowering down. We'll inhale, lifting up, coming back to our knees again. This time, we're gonna go ahead and stretch it out backwards. Again, sending the tailbone down, pointing the toes. We inhale, coming up, extending the right leg forward. And here you can inhale and lower down. Inhale, lift up. We'll go ahead and bring the leg around. Finish off with a nice butterfly. Inhale and exhale, lowering down. Thank you so much for following along. The rest of the videos to this series will help you gain some flexibility for your splits. Come back and dance with me some more.
With hundreds of videos that you can stream on virtually any device to help you reduce stress, lose weight, or just improve your health and well-being overall. At wellnessplus.tv, we are dedicated to helping you on your health and wellness journey. Join wellnessplus.tv to find hundreds of videos to help you improve the health of your body and your mind. Wellnessplus.tv. Get well, feel better.